Did you know windshields are smart now? First it was phones, then televisions, and now, yep, even our windshields are smart. However, you know what they're not smart enough to do? Calibrate themselves after getting a replacement. That's where humans come in. Phew, at least we're still needed for something. Do you have one of these newfangled cars with all the gadgets and buttons and save you from driving outside the lines and crashing features? Well, then after you get a replacement, you also need to get a recalibration to make sure that all these little safety doodads still work properly. Because if you don't, well, it can cause some serious problems. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh great, another thing I have to do in getting my windshield replaced. And we hear you. That's why here at Windshield Surgeons, we offer both services in one easy appointment. And with some of the shortest wait times in the industry, you'll be in and out before you know it. So fear not, my friends. No, the robots have not fully taken over yet. And no, getting a replacement and recalibration isn't as much of a pain as you might think. So why not show your smart devices who really has the brains in the operation and book that appointment today.